Ready to turn your space into something that feels straight out of a design magazine? These luxury Amazon home furniture finds and interior design ideas bring elegance, comfort, and statement style into every corner of your home. From eye-catching accent pieces to refined finishing touches, each pick is all about elevating your everyday living. All products are linked in the description below. That empty corner you keep ignoring? It's about to become your favorite spot. This 5-tier S-shaped corner shelf turns unused space into a stylish display for books, plants, photos, or decor. The tall vertical design gives you tons of storage without taking over the room. Made from sturdy engineered wood, it's built to handle daily use and still looks sleek. You get organization and a statement piece all in one smart upgrade. Some furniture just makes a room feel complete. This tall arched cabinet brings that farmhouse charm with its curved top and glass doors that beautifully frame whatever you display inside. Adjustable shelves let you customize the space for dishes, pantry items, books, or decor. 2 large drawers keep the clutter out of sight. Built from sturdy engineered wood with anti-tip support, it's storage that feels as solid as it looks. Got an empty corner? Turn it into your own private bar. This corner wine cabinet fits snugly at a 90-degree angle, giving you shelves for bottles, space for decor, and a closed cabinet to hide the extras. Built-in LED lights offer 16 colors and different modes, so you can set the mood with one click of the remote. A hanging rack keeps your glasses within reach. Rustic wood tones and a sturdy metal frame make it stylish and solid. Lighting can change everything. This 2-in-1 floor lamp gives you a powerful top light and a flexible side reading light in one sleek design. You can adjust brightness from 10% to 100% and switch between warm and cool tones, so your room feels cozy or focused in seconds. The heads rotate to aim light exactly where you need it. Control it by touch or remote and enjoy bright, flicker-free light that lasts up to 50,000 hours. Some days, you just want to sink in and switch off. This lazy chair wraps around your body with a gently reclined back that supports your spine while you relax. The wide seat gives you room to stretch, and the folding Ottoman lets you kick your feet up anytime. A strong steel frame keeps it steady, while non-slip feet protect your floors. Light, cozy, and easy to move, it's your new favorite reading spot. Long day? This recliner is ready for you. With a simple pushback, the footrest lifts and you're instantly in relaxation mode. The built-in 2-point massage targets your lower back with multiple modes, helping ease tension while you sit. Thick padding, wide armrests, and soft leather make every seat feel cozy. It assembles in minutes and fits perfectly in your living room or home theater. Movie night just got an upgrade. This modern TV stand does more than hold your screen. It features a built-in electric fireplace that glows with 12 flame colors and adjustable brightness for the perfect vibe. You can even control the heat and set a timer for cozy comfort. Spacious cabinets and shelves keep your consoles and remotes organized. Strong supports and smart cable management keep everything stable and clutter-free. What if your shelf could turn into a table in seconds? This clever 2-in-1 design shifts from a 5-tier storage shelf to a full table with one smooth movement. Use it as a desk, dining table, or craft station when you need space. Fold it back up, and it becomes a tidy display for books and decor. A solid wood top and steel frame keep it strong, holding up to 150 pounds with confidence. Want to feel like you're sitting on a cloud? This pumpkin-shaped beanbag and Ottoman set wraps you in plush velvet and high-resilience foam that keeps its shape for years. Ergonomic support cradles your back while you read, relax, or game. The Ottoman doubles as extra seating or a handy side table. Compact yet cozy, it's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or dorms, your go-to spot for comfort anytime. Set the mood with just one wall. This round LED wall lamp casts warm, soothing light that's perfect for relaxing evenings. The rotatable design lets you direct the glow exactly where you want it, creating cozy corners or highlighting decor. Sleek corrugated aluminum adds a modern touch, while the built-in LED saves energy and lasts for years. Ideal for living rooms, staircases, or hallways, it blends style and function effortlessly. Imagine a side table that does way more than just hold your coffee. This smart end table combines a walnut tabletop, a Bluetooth speaker, and a wireless charger, all in one sleek design. You get room-filling, warm sound without dealing with messy wires or apps. Phones, earbuds, and other devices charge right on the surface, keeping everything ready to use. Sturdy tripod legs support your essentials, and the 8-hour battery makes it portable, letting you move your music and style anywhere in your home. Who says furniture can't hide secrets? This round velvet Ottoman set gives you extra seating and clever storage all in one. Lift the plush top to stash clothes, magazines, or pillows out of sight. The soft velvet cushions make it comfy for reading, napping, or relaxing with guests. Nesting design saves space when not in use, and the sturdy construction supports up to 300 pounds, keeping your living room stylish and organized. Turn your bathroom into a personal spa. This bucket-style towel warmer heats towels, robes, blankets, and more for ultimate cozy comfort. You can set a 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, or 60-minute timer on the easy-to-read LED display, so warmth is ready when you are. Oversized towels fit easily, and the removable lid with a handle makes loading simple and safe. Stable feet keep it steady, making every shower feel like a luxurious treat. Bring your bedroom to life with color and convenience. This modern nightstand set features 24 LED lights that can change colors or stay steady, creating the perfect mood for any time of day. A smart body sensor turns the lights on when you're near and off when you leave. The tabletop powers devices with wireless, USB, and Type-C charging, while 3 spacious drawers keep your essentials neatly stored. Made with tempered glass and sturdy wood, it's stylish, durable, and ready for everyday use. Create your own little beauty corner anywhere. This compact vanity desk comes with a cushioned chair and fits perfectly in small bedrooms or tight spaces. The LED mirror has 3 lighting modes and a 360-degree adjustable mount, so you get perfect lighting for makeup or skincare. 2 drawers, 5 shelves, and a cup holder keep all your essentials organized and within reach. Made with sturdy wood and metal, it's both stylish and built to last. Cleaning just got way easier. This smart cordless vacuum automatically adjusts suction depending on the surface, so you don't have to keep switching modes. With 10 brush heads, it tackles floors, carpets, sofas, cars, and even stairs with one click. Up to 70 minutes of battery life means you can clean a whole apartment without recharging. The dual high-efficiency filters trap dust and allergens, keeping the air fresh for you and your family. Upgrade your door to a keyless future. This Fingerprint Smart Lock lets you unlock with your finger, phone, or even voice using Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. You can give family, guests, or service workers permanent or temporary access and get real-time alerts if the door is left open. Auto lock and auto unlock make life effortless, while the sturdy zinc body keeps your home secure. Easy DIY installation means you can have smarter, safer access in minutes. Kick back and relax in total comfort. This power reclining sectional and chair set is wrapped in soft, breathable leather with plush foam backrests that support every curve of your body. One-touch controls adjust the backrest and footrest to your perfect angle, while built-in cup holders, USB charging ports, and a drop-down coffee table keep everything within reach. LED lights set the mood for movie nights, and the sturdy frame seats 7 adults comfortably. Assembly is simple, so you can start lounging in no time. Make every room work double duty. This Queen Murphy bed folds neatly into a cabinet, freeing up floor space for a home office, gym, or guest area. A smooth dual piston system lets you pull it down effortlessly, while flexible slats support your body for a comfortable night's sleep. Sleek, shaker-inspired trim and metal handles add a stylish touch to any decor. Durable and space-saving, it's perfect for small apartments or studios where every inch counts. See yourself from head to toe in style. This full-length mirror not only shows your entire outfit, but also doubles as a coat rack and shelf for extra convenience. Made with shatterproof HD glass and a solid wood frame, it's safe, sturdy, and built to last. Swivel the mirror to find the perfect angle, and use the hooks to hang jackets, bags, or accessories. Elegant and practical, it adds function and charm to any bedroom, hallway, or living space. Show off your favorite things in style. This 3-tier display cabinet has open shelves perfect for books, photos, or decor you want to see every day. Sleek walnut and black finishes with round metal legs give it a modern, polished look. Sturdy construction keeps everything safe while adding a contemporary touch to your living room or entryway. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to assemble and instantly elevates any space. Meet the coffee table that does it all. This lift-top table turns into a dining surface, home office desk, or keeps your living room organized with hidden storage and drawers. Split-top design lets 2 people use it at once without getting in each other's way. Sturdy metal supports make lifting effortless and quiet, while durable wood keeps it steady and strong. Sleek black finish and smart functionality make it perfect for small apartments or busy living spaces. Light up your space anywhere you like. This cordless desk lamp runs on a built-in battery, giving you up to 15 hours of soft, adjustable light. Touch controls make changing brightness and switching between warm, neutral, or cool tones effortless. Sleek metal design with an elegant LED shade adds a modern touch to any desk, bedside, or living area. Portable, stylish, and practical, it creates the perfect mood for reading, working, or relaxing. Relax together in ultimate comfort. This double egg chair seats 2 adults or gives one person plenty of room to stretch out. Hand-woven wicker and thick, cloud-like cushions make it cozy, stylish, and durable for indoors or outdoors. Ergonomic armrests, high back, and gentle recline keep you supported while reading, napping, or sipping morning coffee. Easy to assemble and simple to clean, it's the perfect spot to unwind anytime. Make streak-free cleaning effortless. This electric window vacuum squeegee glides over showers, mirrors, glass, and countertops, removing water and grime in seconds. Lightweight and compact, it sits comfortably in your hand, while its powerful suction leaves surfaces spotless without drips. The set includes a spray bottle, washable microfiber pad, and concentrated cleaner, giving you a complete system that makes home cleaning faster, easier, and more satisfying. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.